In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail from Facebook. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as simple as possible. Let's start by understanding why you might want to unlink these accounts. Over time, we often connect various services for convenience and seamless integration. However, there may be times when you need to unlink them for security reasons, privacy concerns, or simply because you're tidying up your digital footprint. Whatever your reason, I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Facebook website. Once there, log into your Facebook account by entering your username and password. If you're already logged in, you should see your Facebook homepage right away. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a small downward-facing arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings Privacy and click on it. This will expand into another set of options. From this list, select Settings. You'll now be taken to a new page, which is essentially the settings hub for your Facebook account. From here, look over to the left side of the screen for a column of menu options. You need to find and click on Apps and Websites. Upon entering this section, you'll see all the apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. These are the platforms you've allowed to use your Facebook login information. Scroll through this list until you locate Gmail. It's important to note that Gmail itself might not be specifically listed if it was part of another app or service connection, so be sure to double-check any connections that might involve Google services. Once you have located it, look for a checkbox next to Gmail or the related app. You will see an option that says Remove. Click on Remove, and a confirmation window will appear. This window will inform you about what will happen once the app is removed. For example, you may lose the ability to log in with Facebook on that service or lose records of activity that you've shared. If you're sure you wish to proceed, click on the Remove button to confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked Gmail or the respective app from Facebook. Remember that this action helps in protecting your privacy and can contribute to better account security. Keeping track of which services are connected to your social media accounts is a good practice that helps ensure your information remains secure and in your control. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.